Good afternoon, my lovely friends. I'm Nirupama S. Gupta, an interior designer, a commercial artist, an active socialite, a philanthropist, and now a medium, a channel interpreting the will of God. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Arpana Agarwal for having me on this platform and for honoring reality and give it a chance to be revealed. So today we are going to talk about Purushottam Maas, Mal Maas, Adhik Maas. What is it? So I would like to tell you that it started on 18th September and it's on till 16th October, a good 16 more days. Because our first Navratra happens to be on 17th October. Yeah. So I'll make it very easy and simple and I'll give you what I feel about it, my intakes, my inputs about it also. So we all know that there are two types of calendars. There's a Hindi calendar and there's an English calendar. अभी English calendar का तो सबको मालूम है ना, that every month has either 30 or 31 days. But in a Hindi calendar, we have 29.5 days in a month. The Hindi calendar is governed by the moon. And the English calendar is a solar calendar governed by the sun. So now what happens is that because we have 29.5 days in a month, in the Hindi calendar, we have a surplus of almost 10 days in a year in the Hindi calendar. Yeah? Are you following? So in a way, with every 10 extra days almost, we have in 3 years, 30 days, imagine comprising of a month. So in every leap year, we have an extra Hindi month. So that means in the Hindi calendar, we have instead of 12 months, we have 13 months. One extra month, tuck, 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 that pixie month. So now coming to the fact that it is called Mal Maas. Mal Maas मतलब अच्छे दिन नहीं है ये. They're not very clean days. And people don't want to talk about it because they say they are unclean. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. My take on it is totally different. See, it's as simple as that. हम सबको मालूम है कि वो दिन साफ नहीं है, अच्छे नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है अच्छे? क्योंकि ये दिन भगवान जी ने we have been bestowed with an extra month. Please यार अंदर जाओ अपने. Reassess yourself. Reflect. सोचो क्या पंगा है. रेट्रोस्पेक्ट करो, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करो, रिवैल करो, अपने अंदर जाओ. लुक एट ऑल योर नेगेटिव इमोशंस, वेदर इट इज एनवी, वेदर इट इज जेलसी और इट इज समथिंग नेगेटिव, एंगर, एंड गो टू द रूट कॉज ऑफ इट. पंगा क्या है वो चेक करो एंड कीप सेइंग ऐसा क्यों होता है, ऐसा क्यों होता है, ऐसा टिल यू फाइंड योर आंसर. एंड वंस यू फाइंड योर आंसर एज टू व्हाई यू फील दैट इमोशन, believe me, it's a tried and tested. You can easily get rid of it. And abhi to 16 din bache hain. You have 16 extra days in this month, so you can easily do it. Of course you can do it through the year also, but these are extra days. Adhik maas hai na, jo piche ke carry forward days ho rahe hain, so ye adhik hai, so that is why the name Adhik. And then coming to Purushottam, because this is Vishnu month. ये जो मंथ है हिंदी के कैलेंडर में हर मंथ को एक गॉड के साथ एसोसिएट किया जाता है. एंड दिस मंथ इज एसोसिएटेड विद लॉर्ड विष्णु, इसलिए इसमें कहते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी से पुरुषोत्तम, नो, इवन इफ यू वर टू गो थ्रू सहस्त्रनामा, अगर आपने सुना हो, पढ़ा हो, तो जो 24th नेम है विष्णु जी का वो पुरुषोत्तम ही है. ठीक है, सो फार सो गुड. या अब हमें अपने आप को, जी ये तो हो गया कि नेगेटिव हटाना है, अब हमें अपने आप को प्योरीफाई करना चाहिए ना. इन दिनों में अपने सारे सेंसेस को प्योरीफाई कर सकते हैं आप. मैं बताऊं कैसे? आईज क्लोज करें, मेडिटेट करें, कनेक्ट करें अपने आप को अंतरिक्ष से, यूनिवर्स से. बहुत देर करने की नहीं जरूरत है, नहीं बैठा जाता बहुत देर, तो डू इट फॉर 10 मिनट्स, डू इट फॉर 15 मिनट्स. प्योरीफाई योर आईज, ईयर्स, ईयरबड डालिए ना, 10 मिनट कुछ मत सुनिए, बस अपने आप को जानिए. नॉस्ट्रल्स, नोज बंद कीजिए ना और अपने ब्रेथ को अपने लंग्स में रखिए. जितनी देर रिटेन कर पाए एंड देन रिलीज योर माउथ। थोड़ा सा सात्विक खाना खा लो, किसी दिन फलाहार कर लो, किसी दिन थोड़ी सी देर के लिए, घंटे भर के लिए मौन व्रत रख के तो देखें, कितनी शांति का एहसास होगा आपको। थ्रोट, जब हम चैंट करते हैं, जब हम वाइब्रेट करते हैं, हम करते हैं ना, तो हमारी सारी नर्व्स क्लीन होती हैं। नर्व्स की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती थ्रोट में जब हम हमिंग करते हैं। करके देखिए ना। पहले के जमाने में इफ यू आर अवेयर, जो सेजेस होते थे ना, वो ऐश रब करते थे अपनी बॉडी पे। क्यों करते थे? जितनी जो एपिडर्मल लेयर होती है ना, वो सुन हो जाती है, इम्यून हो जाती है। पर ऑब्वियसली हम वो तो नहीं कर सकते हैं अपने स्किन के लिए, तो हम at this point of time we apply masks, packs. So that's another way, and that's a way probably everyone will be happy to do also. Okay, so what else you should do in this month? See, आर्म्स दीजिए, आप अन्न दान दीजिए, खाने का दान दे ही रहे हैं आप, वस्त्र दान कीजिए, ठीक है। फिर आप और क्या करें? श्रद्धा पूर्वक कुछ रिलीजियस स्क्रिप्चर्स पढ़िए, भगवत गीता पढ़ सकें तो पढ़िए, श्रीमद् भगवत गीता पुराण पढ़ सकें तो पढ़ें आप, सहस्त्रनामा सुनिए, पढ़िए, कोई भी रिलीजियस स्क्रिप्ट्स पढ़ें जिससे आपका मन लगता है। अगर पिलग्रिम में जाने को मन करता है तो वहां भी जाएं आप, बट ध्यान रखें कोरोना चल रहा है, ठीक है। और अगर कोई प्लैनेटरी प्रॉब्लम है इस ड्यूरेशन में आपको, आप उसका भी समाधान कर सकते हैं, ग्रह दोष आप दूर कर सकते हैं। चैंट कीजिए, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः। विष्णु जी का जाप है। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, ये कीजिए। ओम नमो नारायणा कीजिए। और जो भी आप जाप कर रहे हैं, जो आप मंत्र आपको अच्छे लगते हैं, वो सब कीजिए। साथ में विष्णु जी के मंत्र भी बोलिए ना। देखिए ना, इस टाइम पे जो आप काम करेंगे वो आपको 100 गुना 1000 गुना ज्यादा फायदा करेगा। रेट करते हैं ना ये नेगेटिव इमोशंस, क्या करने, हमें से अपने पास रख के, हमें नहीं चाहिए हैं, निकाल फेंकिए इन्हें। देखिए ना, जब हमारे फोन में भी एक्स्ट्रा फोटोज हो जाती हैं, एक्स्ट्रा डेटा होता है, हम डिलीट मारते हैं ना, तो ये जो गंदे इमोशंस है, नेगेटिव इमोशंस है, हमें नहीं चाहिए। गेट रिड ऑफ देम, ऑल ऑफ देम, स्लोली एंड स्टेडली, एंड गो deep in and check your emotions, check the flavor of your emotion, just see why it's coming to you and why is it coming repeatedly. Just check that pattern and slowly you'll realize that you can easily get rid of them. It's not a big deal about it, there's no big shot about it. Anyone and everyone can do it, yes, including you and me. Yes. अब ये तो हुआ कि क्या करें, अब हम क्या ना करें। एक तो आप देखें, गृह प्रवेश ना करें, अन्नप्राशन ना करें, मुंडन ना करें, रोकना ना करें, और कोई भी शादी से रिलेटेड सेरेमनी ना करें। 16 दिन बचे हैं, उसके बाद तो वैसे ही नवरात्रे हैं, जी भर के कीजिएगा। बेसिकली इन दिनों में हम शुभ काम ना करें, क्योंकि इस टाइम पे हमें अपनी आस्था, अपने आप को भगवान विष्णु जी के साथ रखनी चाहिए है। और अगर हम ये सब काम करेंगे तो हमारा ध्यान बढ़ जाता है। टू जस्ट अवॉइड दैट, दीज आर द डेज व्हेन यू शुड ट्राई टू चैंट, ट्राई टू डू व्हाटएवर इज गुड। और अगर आप दान भी करें तो उस मन भाव से करें कि वो आप कर रहे हैं विद कंपैशन एंड लव। ये नहीं कि मेरे पास है मैंने कर दिया, वो अहम त्याग का दान करें। समझ रहे हैं आप? कोई आपसे कुछ मांगने नहीं आ रहा है, जो आपका है वो आप ही का है, लेकिन अगर आप दान करते हैं उस मन भावना से करें, उस इच्छा से करें। अपना कर्मा बैंक बनाएं, उसे सबटाज मत होने दें आप इस टाइम पे। अच्छा सोचिए, अच्छा करिए, अच्छा सुनिए, अच्छा बोलिए। ये तो महीना ही ऐसा है, जितना अच्छा करेंगे उतना आपके साथ अच्छा होगा। और ये भाव भी रखने की जरूरत नहीं है कि मेरे साथ अच्छा होएगा इसलिए मैं अच्छा करूं। अच्छा तो हमें वैसे ही करना चाहिए, ये नेट क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए। हम इंसान हैं तो इतना तो हमें करना ही चाहिए, है ना? जी हाँ। और आप बताएं, आप सब कैसे हैं? बोर तो नहीं करी मैं आपको? जी हाँ। अच्छा, इसके साथ में एक स्टोरी भी एसोसिएटेड है जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगी। दिस इज अबाउट द डीमन हिरण्यकश्यप और इनका बेटा प्रहलाद। अब हिरण्यकश्यप जी जो डीमन थे, इनके भाई को विष्णु जी ने बाय बाय कर दी थी, ठीक है. He was killed by Vishnu ji. So Hiranyakashyap wanted to seek revenge from Vishnu ji. डीमन तो थे ही, सारी इनकी प्रकृति वैसी थी, भैया सब कुछ नाश अविनाश ही करना है ना. तो जी ये चाहते थे कि अब मेरे को तो बदला लेना है. वो भाव आ गया है ना, डीमन है इसलिए. तो ये चले गए मेडिटेशन के लिए. एंड ही मेडिटेटेड टू सच एन एक्सटेंट दैट ही वाज कवर्ड विद डस्ट. Insects were biting into his flesh. He paid no heed. And there was so much heat being emitted on the earth that people around that area, the surrounding area, fled. They fled. So now what happened is they fled and they went to, भाई अब जाना तो था ही उनको. पहुंच गए भगवान जी के पास. Help us, help us, help us. So ब्रह्मा जी answered and बोला जी क्या चाहिए आपको. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विथ वट एवर यू हैव डन फॉर योर मेडिटेशन. सो ही सेज दैट आई वॉन्ट टू बी इमॉर्टल. अब वो तो पॉसिबल नहीं था. ही सेड कि जो भी आया है उसको जाना तो है, बट आई एम प्लीज विद यू एंड आई हैव टू बिस्टो सम बोन ऑन यू. सो व्हाट शैल वी डू. तो इन्होंने कहा जी ठीक है मुझे और कुछ दे दें आप. ही आस्क्ड फॉर अ बोन. He said, no man, no woman should be able to kill me, no animal also. No weapon, no object. I should not be killed neither on land, nor water, nor air. Not during day, not during night. Not inside, not outside. And not in the 12 months. इन्होंने तो जी ये मांग लिया, तथास्तु भी हो गया. अब तो वही हाहाकार मचना ही है. दानव प्रकृति तो थी ही इनकी. अब इस दौरान इनका जो बेटा है प्रहलाद, he was a strict devotee of विष्णु जी. ये सिर्फ विष्णु 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 जी जापते थे. अब हिरण्यकश्यप को बहुत गुस्सा आता था कि इनका बेटा इनका डेविटी ना होके इनके भाई को जिन्होंने मारा उसका डेविटी है. सो ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू कन्वर्ट हिम टुवर्ड्स हिमसेल्फ बट वॉज फीलिंग मिजरेबली. सो वन फाइन डे when they were in the palace and he had tried to restore him, sending him to places where there were only people who were worshipping Hiranyakashyap. But instead of worshipping his father, he taught the other people also to worship Vishnu ji. So he was really, really angry, Hiranyakashyap. So when they were in the palace, he asked him, his son, where is your Vishnu ji? Kahan hai Vishnu ji? So he said, he's everywhere. He said, where is he? In the pillar? Yeah, he's in the pillar. So he struck open the pillar and out came. Guess who? Take a guess. Narsimha ji. He was the fourth avatara of Vishnu ji. He was half man. Narsimha in Devanagari means Nar as in man and Sinha as in lion. So it is half man and half beast. So they tried to have a fight, but Narsimha lifted him and took him on the threshold of the castle. वो चौखट जिसे कहते हैं. And the threshold was because he said that I should not be killed inside or outside. And he put him on his lap, his next condition. Not earth, not water, not sky. Opened his chest with his claws, no weapons and no objects. And this time was that time which is in between day and night, complying to his next condition. Na din na raat mein mujhe koi maar sake. And he just kills him. So this avatara of Vishnu ji came into being to kill him. So the end of evil happens. So that is why they say that this month, Mass, we should end the evil in us also. करो यार, इतनी मुश्किल से जीवन मिलता है, इतनी योनियां पार करते हैं, तब जाके हमें इंसान की योनि मिलती है. कुछ अच्छे कर्म करते हैं ना, नेगेटिव्स हो गए, अब निकालो यार, फेंको इनको, बाहर करो. या सो या दिस इज इट. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी विच गोज विद इट. So it's about time when we should reassess ourselves, reflect, reevaluate, restore, retrospect and introspect. अंदर जाओ, भीतर जाओ, डुबकी मारो अंदर और अपने आप को समझो और सारे नेगेटिव इमोशंस निकालते चले जाएं अपने अंदर से, और फिर देखें मैजिक तो होगा ही। जी हाँ, एंड दिस इज ऑन टिल द 16th, सो प्लीज यूज दिस मंथ, करिए ना। So now we know about Malmas, Adhik Mas, Purushottam Mas. And I've shipped in my intake on it also. Yeah. Thank you all. Okay. So should I brief you up on tarot now? Yeah? What tarot is? And my take on that also? See, tarot, it is a tool for divination. Divination means the will of God. So it is a tool that helps us interpret the will of God. And in these 78 cards, the entire life pattern of a human being, the soul, is there. Yeah, and there are ways on how to achieve it and how to go about it. Just a glass of water for me. So, as I was saying, it's a tool, it's a tool for divination. And what happens is that the entire journey of the soul is in it. Because the journey of the soul is so important to reach its ultimate fulfilling path. Because that is why we are here, no? So what happens is that I've always believed that we are orchestrators of our own destiny, whether it's good or bad. Either we can choose to be victims of our circumstances, or we can choose to liberate ourselves. And when we choose to liberate ourselves, that is the time these tarot help us to reach our optimum potential. जी आपको रास्ता दिखाते हैं, आपको बताते हैं आपका आज, लेकिन चलना उस पे आपको है. If the tarot says that your time is going to come good, doesn't mean कि वो आ जाएगा जी आप बैठे हुए हैं. You have to work for it. Of course, the time is good, but you can't just let go of that time, right? Or if the time is not so good, so it will pass. It tells you it will pass, and the remedies that you can do to let go of that time, to introspect then. Yeah. So tarot, this divination, it's a beautiful divination. And it makes you understand so much about you. And it is a guiding tool, a tool in which we come to know and we can guide people to reach their optimum potential. So they comprise of 78 cards. I'm talking of Rider's deck right now. Yeah. Out of which 22 are major arcanas and 56 are minor arcanas. I know arcana in itself means mystery in Latin. So when I talk of a major arcana, this means that something major happening, a major shift, a turning point, the karmic and spiritual lessons that the soul needs to learn. And when I talk of minor arcanas, these are the trials and tribulations that the soul goes through. And this is the time through those experiences you learn some things. But it's nothing major, it's a passing energy. Yeah? When I talk about the origin of the tarots, even that is a mystery, and it has different schools of thought to it. One saying that they originated 5,000 years back in India, keeping in mind that the Saptaras of Vishnu and the Ardnareshwar aspect of Shiva. Yes. And then they traveled to Europe, where they were preserved in a temple as a living book, a book of knowledge which taught about all aspects of human life forms, from spiritual to mundane. But unfortunately, one day the temple caught fire and everything was destroyed but the tarot cards, which fell into the hands of the gypsies. And the gypsies, they used them for fortune telling and took them to Europe. So then in the 15th century, they were spotted in Italy, being used as playing cards. And then in the 18th and 19th century, some influential Occult students saw them and realized how powerful they were. Their symbols, the objects, the numbers, the colors which were used. And they realized that this is the actual journey of the soul to reach its fulfilling path. Yeah. I hope you're following. Yeah. But then there's another school of thought that says that they originated in Macedonia, South Africa, where there was a University of Mysticism. And in order to teach mysticism, they needed a common language, which was missing. And so, tarot cards originated there to teach mysticism. Yeah. So, yeah, this is kinda about the theory, which I would like to share with you as of now. Yes. Oh, now when I'm talking to you, I just realized, did I tell you what not to do during this beautiful month, the Purushottam month? किसी ने तो पूछा नहीं है, सो मैं ही बताती हूँ. मुंडन ना करें आप, गृह प्रवेश ना करें आप, रोकना ना करें, अन्नप्राशन ना करें, कोई शादी की सेरेमनी ना करें, बस बी डिवोटेड. जी हाँ, रिलीजियस स्क्रिप्चर्स पढ़ें, मंत्र जापें, ओम नमो नारायणा. अच्छा ठीक है, बता चुकी हूँ ये सब मैं आपको. ठीक है. Okay, so now as I shuffle my cards and neutralize them and connect myself with the divine, I'm ready to take up your questions. And I did have a set of questions ready also, which were asked earlier. Okay, so this is for Kavita Kapoor, who wanted to find out for Neha Miglani about her marriage prospects. Kavita, I would like to say that in case you have a boy in mind, it can be done this year also. Else I see it happening in 2022-2023. Best wishes. The next question that I had was from Harmeet Kaur Gambhir. When will you move to a house of your dreams? So Harmeet, what I could see was most likely in a span of 2 years. Yeah. Arpana Agarwal, you wanted to know about your work and future of Wonder Women Connect. Arpana, your work for now is going to be in moderation. And regarding the future, let me tell you, you want to shine through your endeavors. Yes, your emotions will be involved in future and you'll experience pure joy and emotional fulfillment. Then Rashmi Goyal, would you be able to expand your work of trousseau designing? It's a yes. But of course you have to work for it. And your next question was, do you need to shift base from home to elsewhere? Yes, dear, you have to step out of your comfort zone. And yes, then things will shape up for the better. Because I do see progress happening. And I do see you expanding your work, your business. So, now I'm ready to take up fresh questions. Hello. So, the questions are going very fast. So, Neeti wanted to know about her daughter's marriage. Neeti, I will want you to just think about your daughter's marriage right now. I see it happening in maybe a year's time. And yes, you have to work on it. Work on it and it should happen soon. Ritu, do you think any changes required in my name as per numerology? Ritu Kalra, the name That this is a proper, then that would be a proper numerology session, Ritu, because it will be proper calculations to come to know your destiny, your koa number, your year and stuff. So we'll have to take a separate session for you for that, Ritu. Contact later. Okay, so tell me about Ishan, my kids' health and career. I did work on Rachna Gupta, I did work on that. See, where Ishan is concerned, this is a year for settlement for him, and next year is a year for planning. And after that, in 2022, I see money coming in. And let's check the health of Ishan for Rachna. Health should be fine, only be careful. Be careful in the sense that, of course, you know, COVID is going on. So the mask, the sanitizing, just persistently make him do those things. Yeah. Else seems fine. And for Anushka Rachna, I see in 2021, she will have new opportunities coming in with lots of enthusiasm and happiness. So that should be a very good time for her. And Anushka's health. Okay, so where Anushka's health is concerned, again, you have to be a little careful. Maybe she is struggling with two things. Maybe you need to opt for homeopathy, or maybe Ayurveda, or maybe that hot water thing, you know, drinking, sipping on that, along with any medication if she's taking. Yes. Kamini Vora, your son Raj's health. Kamini Vora, your son Raj's health seems good and should stay like that. Gitanjali, will you be able to have your own business? Gitanjali, will you be able to have your own business? Yes, but you will need some expert help, some collaboration. And then I see that happening. Poonam Chaudhary, about your husband's health. Please be careful about your husband's health, Poonam. You need to be a little careful with him. Please tell about Mama. Meenakshi Mohanty, please tell about Mama's health. Your Mama's health will be okay. Your Mama's health will be fine, but he will need a lot of emotional balance. Would you be able to grow your business? Should I? Rashmi, as I mentioned earlier also, yeah, you will be able to grow your business, and it is a good move to shift base. Malti, hi, I want to know about my son's lives ahead, marriage, profession, etc. Malti, we'll have to do a separate session for you. We can, I don't know anything about your sons. How many sons? I have no details of them. It's a very broad, vast spectrum you're choosing from. Okay, so Meenakshi Mohanty, your mother's what? Charu Jain, please, I want to know about my daughter's marriage and career. Charu Jain. Charu Jain, I don't see the marriage happening right as of now. And her career also needs some more time to set. So Lavina, a general reading for you. Lavina, life is very good with you, and that's how it's going to stay for a while. Enjoy. Poonam, about your boutique business. So let's just look that up. Your boutique business will run good. And you'll manage to balance your home and your boutique well. Lavani's career. Where Meenakshi Mohanty, where Lavanya's career is concerned, I see that probably she is having too many things in her mind. Maybe there's too much of visual thinking. Please ask her to concentrate and evaluate what she really wants to do, is what I could see. And Rashmi, about your husband's health. He'll stay good. Don't worry about him. Most welcome. My husband's iron and steel business, little shaky right now. Would it be fine? Rashmi, let's see. Rashmi, can you beat it? I got a probability card for your husband. Let's see. It says that if he has been working on it and he's good with it, then it will be a karmic balance for him. So if he has worked on it, yes, then work will pick up. Most welcome. Most welcome. Most welcome, Rashmi. God bless you all. Just remember one thing. See, we come to know about what's happening, right? But we are given a direction to follow, and which is most important. Arpana Jain. Arpana Jain, your health needs to be looked into. Probably what I see is, yes, your health needs to be looked into, and your husband's health seems okay. So just be careful, Arpana. Don't overdo things. Just relax. Eat well, drink well, sip on hot water, and take all the necessary steps before stepping out. Arpana, that is especially for you. So, Charu Jain, your daughter's work is going to be fantastic. She's going to do well. Charu Jain, don't worry. So, and please congratulate your daughter also. Malti, I have 2 sons, both professionals, recently doing well but struggling otherwise. Will they be successful professionally? What are there? Malti, okay, so Malti, your question has gone up. Your elder son and your younger son. Okay, so what I see for your elder son is your question has gone up. I can't go back to it, but what I see is that your son will go from turbulent waters to calmer waters. So probably if he has had a setback in his mind regarding something, it could be friends, it could be family, whatever. So he will pass through that. He will leave that baggage on a side. And for your younger son, he should be fine too. Gitanjali, you're working with a private firm, but you wish to have your own. Okay, so Gitanjali, let's see whether doing your own work is good. Yes, if you were to do your own work, you'll get a lot of emotional balance, a lot of creativity will be highlighted. So someone's son has gone abroad and are things good with him? Yes. Rashmi, your son is abroad and things are good with him, don't worry. So, Lavina, please tell about your husband's job, any change? No, so what change? Does he want to change? What do you want me to check for him? Does he want to change or you want to find out he's good where he is? Please clear your question, that would be helpful. Rachna, your husband Rajiv's health is fine. It's a transformation period for him. Let him delve deeper in who he is, but his health is fine, don't worry. Kamini Vora, about your health, please. Kamini, I see too many things happening for you at the moment. And it is all with swift action. So yeah, but health seems fine. So Pearl Bell, what do you want me to check for you? You're launching a book, I understand. Please read my cards. So should I check how the book is going to be? The launch of your book? It's going to go great guns. Full of passion, action and energy packed. Most welcome. Pleasure. Most welcome. Kavita. Your daughter is 6 years and you want to know about her health. I hope all is good there. Her health is okay. She needs a lot of emotional support maybe. And maybe she's the kind who likes to be on her own. Is what I could read in the cards. That is what the whisper came into my ears from the divine. Love you all more. So, Kamini Vora, this one is for you. When your daughter Kinjal will get married? We need the numbers and we're not doing okay, but just to see. There is time. Kamini Vora, when I checked when you will get your home, I see some time. Yeah. Just wait some more. Aarti Kapoor, let's check your mother's health. Aarti Kapoor, your mother's health, it talks of taking swift action. See, it talks of that. And yeah, you need to work on her. And see, take swift action and her health will be fine. Don't worry then, Aarti. But yeah, just do what the doctor wants you to do. And even if you have to take an opinion from another specialist, go with that. Love you all more. Ruchi Mittal, your dad business problem is going to sort out this year. It showed Ruchi Mittal, your dad's business. It showed the hangman, which means that not exactly. I don't see it really happening. But he needs to see things from a different perspective. And once he begins to see things from a different perspective, things will start looking differently. If I've not answered anyone's question, please, it'll be nice if you could just rewrite it because it's running very fast. Yes, Kamini Arora, how can I help you? About your husband's health. Kamini and your husband's health. Your husband's health is going to be okay, don't worry. He'll be fine. Even if he has some little issues, he'll be okay. Nidhi Kataria would like to know about my kids' health. So, Sharanya and Arav. Sharanya and Arav. Health is going to be fine for both of them. Though for Sharanya, I would suggest that, yeah, just give her some more sweet time. Maybe she's the kind who's, very closed inside herself. So Nali, for work for this month, it shows that work is going to be slow. Keep your patience, it's going to pick up soon. अभी नवरात्रे आ रहे हैं, सब अच्छा होता चले जाएगा ना. See, this is the time when you have to check on your emotions, check into the negative aspects of your lives, and then you see what's a positive word, फिर life takes off. Bang on. Okay, so Kamini Vora, your husband's business. What about his business? But this business is quite slow, it says, and yeah, even it must be giving him some isolation also because of slow business, Kamini, but I'm sure it's going to pick up soon. Some reasons, every time some problem will come, and I'm not able to buy property. What my cards say when I will move into. Okay, so Manasi, let's check, are you able to buy a house or not this year? See, again the Hanged Man. अभी तो थोड़ा सा लटकना है. पर्सपेक्टिव बदलो. ऐसा भी होता है ना, कई बार जब हम खरीदने जाते हैं हम ऐसा मांगने लग जाते हैं कि वो हो नहीं पाता है. कैसी जगह मांगते हैं जहाँ वो हम ले नहीं पाते हैं किसी ना किसी वजह से. थोड़ा पर्सपेक्टिव बदलो, and then probably, and in a while your energies will change. See, everyone is going to remove their negative emotions right from today, right? Energies will change and we come back for tarot. Yeah. फिर होएगा ना. Most welcome. Anyone else? Lavina, your new home. No, so what about your new home? You already have a new home or you want a new home? Lavina Sinha, what will my cards say about my new house? So what are we looking into? When are you going to get it? Are we seeing that? Welcome. एक साल रुक जाएं लवीना जी, एक साल के अंदर आ जाना चाहिए. Malti, good luck. Okay, so let's see. थोड़ा सा रुक जाए मालती, लक आ जाएगा. मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं मालती, लक का क्या है? आप लक हो. Trust yourself, have faith. That is the most important ingredient in life. Remember that. आपकी सोच बदलेगी, आप नेगेटिव चीजें हटाएंगे अपनी जिंदगी से, लक तो फिर बदल ही जाएगा. लक ने कहाँ जाना है, आपके पास आ जाएगा. So Gitanjali, my daughter's future. So I don't even know what your daughters are doing, Gitanjali. So this is Asma and Arya. So the future of Asma and future of Ira. Okay. See, what I see for your daughter Asma is that probably she's very emotional, but yeah, seems fine. And Arya must be the kind who is very much into rules and regulations and discipline and who follows the things. So seems good. Don't worry. So Lavina, as I said, that I see this happening in a year's time. So you've already purchased it. So what do you want to know about it then? When are we going to get new home? Ruchi Mittal. थोड़ा टाइम है अभी रुचि. Okay, so we are going to see that Lavina, you want to shift near Diwali. So is it good for you? So I think you could wait some more time, Lavina. That's the card that came for you for shifting near Diwali. I would suggest wait some more time before shifting, dear. Most welcome. Imagine these 7. Okay, so please tell me about my please, Kamini, please tell me about my elder daughter's future right now. She is into business. She is doing MBA now. Will she get job abroad? She should get job abroad. Yes, I see that happening for her. Congratulations and good luck. But don't tell her that. Let her work for it. She has to work for it. See, tarot is no magic. It can guide you, but you have to work, no? अभी सामने खाना भी रखा होएगा ना, पेट में नहीं जाएगा. गस्ता नवाला तोड़ेंगे, बनाएंगे, खाएंगे तभी जाएगा ना. तो काम तो अपना करना पड़ेगा सबको. Mansi, my brother's business is not running well. How his future is looking from business perspective? Okay. It will pick up. Don't worry. It will pick up. The future seems bright for him. He will get opportunities. Now it depends whether he seizes them or not. But opportunities I see coming his way. Hello, Alpana. Read the future of your daughter and your son. Sharanya's future seems nice and bright. Maybe she's a creative girl, or maybe she must be very full of emotions. So I see many things happening for her. It would be for her to choose, pick up the opportunities, and if she does, she'll do very well, Nidhi. And relating your son, what I see is that he needs that emotional balance at times, and otherwise the future is good. So probably maybe he wants to do something with his friends. Maybe he needs that partnership thing. So probably he needs that emotional support, but future is good for him. Even when we're emotionally balanced, no, then we feel good about ourselves. Poonam, please tell me about your son's future. He is in year 10. Poonam, what I see for your son is that whatever he's doing, he should persistently keep doing it. And there should be resilience. ठीक है, ये नहीं अभी मैंने कर लिया, अभी नहीं करना है मेरे को, नहीं. He should be persistent in whatever he is doing, and he'll do good. Don't worry, because पास में ही है ना, काम तो खत्म होना ही है. So whatever he is doing, just let him persistently keep doing what he is doing, and he'll be very good. Very good to see you too, Alpana. Hello, Kanchan. So, I want to say something to you, people, you lovely people out here. Thank you so much for being here. And another thing, that we have that power of manifesting what we want. We have that power to attract good things to us through the law of manifestation. बट सोचो अच्छा, करो अच्छा, होएगा भी अच्छा ही ना. आप मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं जो आप चाहते हैं. यू कैन अट्रैक्ट पॉजिटिव थिंग्स इनटू योर लाइफ. बोलने से, सोचने से, करने से. सेवा करें, अच्छे मन से करें, डिफरेंसेस दूर करें, गो डाउन, अंदर तक जाएं, देखें कि क्या बीज है. जस्ट गेट रिड ऑफ दैट फ्लेवर. आइसक्रीम के फ्लेवर्स होते हैं ना बड़े सारे. स्ट्रॉबेरी है, चॉकलेट है, बटर स्कॉच है, बेरीज हैं, एंड वगैरह वगैरह. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट फ्लेवर. व्हाट फ्लेवर इज ऑफ योर इमोशन एंड गो डीप इन. देखो यार क्या पंगा है और उसको दूर करो. सारे दुनिया अच्छी है, आप अच्छे रहें, सब दुनिया अच्छी मिलेगी आपको. सो Kamini, your younger daughter is a lawyer. Please tell me something about her future stability and growth. So Kamini, this card is for your daughter's future. Kamini, everything is very beautiful about it. Her future, I find it stable, and I see a lot of growth also happening. Don't worry, she is in very good hands. Thank you so much, Lavina. Thank you, Kanchan. Thank you, Arpana. Happy to help. I want to thank you all for being here, for understanding about Purushottam Maas, Mal Maas, Adhik Maas. I want you to please get those negative emotions out of your life, out of your system. Just get out of them. No, क्या करना है? हमें नहीं रखनी नेगेटिविटी अपने साथ. भेजो भेजो भेजो, बाय बाय करो. डजंट मीन पिंक को एक्स्ट्रा कचरा है वो. सो अल्पना, यू से माय डॉटर इज completed masters from University of Dublin and now she is looking forward for job there. She has 3 years of visa. So what's her future and growth in Dublin? Or no, so what's her future and growth? Okay, so this is her Dublin. देखिए, इंडिया में तो इनके हैं ही वारे न्यारे. ठीक है, दैट्स अ विश कार्ड. ठीक है, एंड अगर ये डबलिन में भी करना चाहेंगी देन ऑल्सो शील डू गुड. क्योंकि यू हैव टू बी परसिस्टेंट इन वट एवर यू आर डूइंग, एंड इफ शी इज डेडिकेटेड टूवर्ड्स her work and she does her work persistently, okay, then yeah, there's no stopping her. So let her choose. वो कहते हैं ना, एक हाथ में लड्डू है और एक हाथ में चॉकलेट बोल दूं मैं. So let her choose, let her do what she wants to. Mansi, please tell me what my brother-in-law stars say for his marriage. So Mansi, what I see is that he is in a conflict in his mind, whether I should choose this one or that one, or probably should I get married, should I not get married. So he has that dual element is there, Mansi. So let him clear his head, let him understand what he wants, and then let's see. Love you more, Kamini. So there you go, Alpana. She's very dedicated. So let her choose. Let her choose. I'm sure she'll choose well. But a lot seems happening in India for her also. I'm glad she likes chocolates. Okay, most welcome, Alpana. So then another thing. ये तो हुआ कि ठीक है, अपने आप को साफ रखें. अच्छा, एंड देन यस, यू शुड वेयर क्लीन, नीट, नाइस क्लोथ्स. अच्छे से सजो धजो, तैयार हो ये महीने में. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमें साफ रहना है ना, इसलिए. सो रश्मि, हाउ विल योर बिजनेस? Rashmi Soni, I see your business growing in some time. It'll take a little more time because probably you've had a moderation of work for some time for now. But if you were to think of brighter prospects, think of good things, find out new ways of doing things, then yes, it will happen. But some more time. Kanchan, should I continue? So, should you continue with your boutique work? I see you doing it, Kanchan, and I see you doing it. I don't know whether you're in partnership or not, but if you choose, you could even go in for partnership where your boutique is concerned, because probably you do need some emotional balance. USA, please tell me about him, his marriage. Kamini, what I see for your son's work is that right now it is maybe stagnated. COVID could be the reason, because this right now it's a time for wait and watch for him, but that too will pass soon. Yes, Charu Jain, your daughter, your elder daughter who wants to switch her job will get lots and lots and lots of chances to do. And that time better take a swift action and decide fast. Not at all. Shivani, you can easily get married this year, but from what I could see, it could be next year also, because both years are good for you. When I were to see via tarot, but I have done no numerology in your numbers, because through numerology we get very close to it, but tarot says both years are very good for you. So if you have someone on your mind or your parents are seeing, then yes, you could do it this year also, and you will do it with the blessings of your parents. I could see that. See, Arpana, what I see is that your elder son Bhanu, will he continue working abroad, or will he do his business in India? See, if he was to work, if he continues working abroad, then I see that he will have to do his things in moderation. It could be COVID related. And if you were saying regarding him working in India, he will get a lot of opportunities. But then it depends what he does with them, whether he wants to nurture them or he's happy where he is. Most welcome, Charu. Anchal, how is this year for my career as a mover? Anchal, your question is not very clear to me. Please, can you rewrite? Most welcome, Arpana. Okay, so Komal, this is for business, this is for job. Okay, so Komal, right now I don't see him doing either. Let the energies shift. We should look this up later. But right now I don't see him going in for either. Kamini. Kamini, the card that came for your son's health is a duality card. So probably he needs two types of treatments. So maybe, ask him to do some maybe gargling and I don't know, whatever the doctor advises. At times you have to mix Ayurveda with homeopathy or with allopathy. So probably something like that. Yeah. I see some more time for your son coming back from USA. Manifestation, as I was saying, and the law of attraction. Please, 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 everyone work on that. And you know what? Today is full moon. Purnamashi. Let go of what is not serving you. Anshul, what was your question? Anshul. Yeah, I said how is this year for my career as a MOA? I could not understand your question. Can you please rephrase it for me, Anshul? Komal. Komal, I said I don't see him doing any right now. And I again checked, again I got the same answers. I do not see him doing business or job for now. Maybe it's a breathing period for him. Let it be for a while. And then we can again recheck. That is what I said. अनीता जैन, सेकंड मैरिज का स्कोप है और बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोप है. So Anshul, you want to know about your career. So I see your career shaping up. Yeah, just listen to your inner voice. Just follow your instincts. Just follow your intuition. And whatever career you choose, do it with honesty. Yeah. You'll find a very nice awakening inside you. And just listen to your inner voice. And whatever your inner voice is saying, just go with that. Believe me, you're going to rock it then. Most welcome. So, Anshul, I answered your question now. Hi, Manya. Most welcome. Thank you. Komal, you want to know about your younger son, Abir's career. Is going to go great guns, don't worry. He's going to do well. He's going to do exceedingly well in his career. But yes, of course, he has to work. Just saying doesn't mean, yeah, it's going to happen. You have to work for it. Kamini, your son will get married. And you will feel the rejoice also happening. डिवोर्स मिल जाएगा आपकी बेटी को, अब मिल जाएगा। अनीता जैन जी, अब मिल जाएगा। Yeah, Deepika, because I didn't want to say it, that this is the card that came for your future. So yeah, you know, this is something that happens when your entire belief system gets shaken up, your foundation gets shaken up. So yeah, let's wait for the energies to change and then take it up later. Yeah, I can understand, Deepika, but believe me, the best thing about time is that whether it is good or bad, it passes. And trust yourself, this too will pass. Do not upset your mind about these things. It will pass. It has to pass. So don't worry, Deepika. It will pass. Just trust and try to manifest what you want. Think of good things. Don't let the disturbing thoughts come to you. Just be kind to yourself. Yeah, कितना भोगोगे? अब हो गया ना, सारा सिस्टम हिल गया है, अब हो गया। प्यार करो अपने आप को ज्यादा ज्यादा, अच्छी अच्छी चीजें मैनिफेस्ट करो। बी गुड टू यू, बी काइंड टू यू एंड बी पेशेंट विद यू। Okay, now that the time is up, I would like to thank each one of you for being here, for present here, and for, I hope I have managed to answer your questions. I hope so. If you did like the session, I'll be happy to get a like or just give a rupee in the temple under my name. My page is Nirvana Spiritual World. And I want to say that I love you all, and you all, each one of you is exceptional and beautiful in their own ways, because you know what? God does not make carbon copies. Everyone, every perfect mold is there. Only just remember to get rid of all the negatives. डस्टबिन में फेंक दो सब चीजें जो गंदा गंदा है। अभी कुछ दिन कुछ अच्छा काम नहीं करना है। 17 से नवरात्र हैं। हैव अ गुड टाइम देन, ठीक है जी। एंड प्लीज थोड़ा सा विष्णु जी को याद करिएगा ना इस महीने में। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः। आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू एंड गॉड ब्लेस ईच वन ऑफ यू। बेस्ट विशेस एंड ब्लेसिंग्स ऑलवेज। मानव कल्याण हो हमेशा। नमस्कार।